In this video, I will show you the top 4 real Oracle production database issues and how to fix them step by step like a real DBA. Hi guys, welcome back in OCP Technology YouTube channel. My name is Shripal and in this video we will cover real-time Oracle database issues that you will face in production environment. If we're talking the first one issue, which is Aura 12541, which is the TNS no listener. Whenever you're trying to connect with the Oracle database with your credentials and TNS service, you will face the following error message, which is indicate that the Oracle database listener is not working or TNS service will not working. Let's check the listener status first using the lsnrctl command, and you can see the listener is not running here. Another way to check the listener services on the OS. So what we can do here, we have to start the listener first. lsnrctl start. That command will start the listener. Okay, now let's try to connect with the database again. And this time you will face something else or an error. That means the Oracle database is not started. We can check the pmon services also use as we check the TNS service. Just replace the TNS with the pmon. That will show you the pmon status. If the pmon is running, that means your database is running. But in case the pmon is not running, that means your database is not running. Okay. So now let me start the Oracle database. To start the Oracle database, we have to log in database as a sys user. So you should have the sys user credentials. If you do not have the sys user credentials, you just ask with your DBA that your database is not running. I have my credentials. So let me log in with the sys user in the database. And here you can see the message connected to an idle instance. That means your database seriously is not running. Let me start the database using the startup command. Now finally the database is started. Now try to connect with the database with your own credentials, which is the username is Shri. Okay, so you can see here now I'm able to connect with the database. Sri user has a table which is name is the X, and the table has only 37 records. If I inserted more record in this table, what happened? Let me insert it. And finally, we are facing here the Aura 01653 unable to extend table space hero. Hero is the table space which is used by the Sri user. Let me commit that data first. Now we have two options to resolve this issue. First one, to increase the size of the table space. Second, we can enable the auto extend for the table space. Okay, let me show you both. Let me check the table space information first. Here you can see table space size is only 10 MB and auto extend also is disabled. So now let me increase the table space size first. Okay, table space size is increased. Let me insert the data again in this table. As you can see here, after increasing the table space size, the insert command work only one time. Why? Because I just increase limited size. Now I'm unable to insert the records in this table. So what we'll do, we will do the second options, enable the auto extend for this table space. Now I'm going to enable the auto extend using the following command. Okay, now let's try to insert more records. Finally, after enabling the auto extend and we inserting some records in this table, you can see now the table space size is growing. I hope you understand this. Okay, fourth one. Suppose your database is going in hang state. So there are major two issues. First is your archiving area is full. So in that case, what will you do? Suppose let me hang the database first. In our case, our archives goes into the FRA area, and FRA area has a very limited size. Let me create few archives to see the error message. As you can see, first and second time it's run successfully, but third time it's going hanged. Now what we'll do, let me check the archive location first. The archive is created on that location or not. Finally, the archive is not available on the location. Why? Because of that, FRA size is limited. So now let me check the alert log first. Here you can see multiple alert messages related to the FRA utilization. The sequence cannot be archived limit. So what is the solution for this? There are two solutions. First one is increase the FRA. Let me do it quickly. Just follow me. Open the second terminal and run the following command. I enter here. You can see on the second terminal the log file automatically created. That means issue is resolved now. Now you can verify the archives is created in the FRA area or not, and you can see the archives is created. Second, how we can fix it? If suppose we have a FRA area very huge size in the FRA area, but still our database is got hang because of the FRA is full. In that case, what we can do? We can do just connect with the RMAN prompt and delete the old archives. Suppose day before yesterday, 1 day old, 2 day old, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever you want. You have to use the following methods. Connect with the RMAN prompt and check the RMAN repository information using the following command. You can see the output. There are few archives it is showing here. Some from the 8th of April and some from the 9th of April 2026. But if we check on the physical location, there are only 3 archives available on the disk. So we have to clear the RMAN repository. Just follow me. Let me clear the expired archive logs using the following command. This time there is no expired archives deleted. Because of that, first we have to update the information in the RMAN repository using the cross-check command. Cross-check command identify which archive is available on the disk and which is not on the disk. So you can clearly see it is RMAN is not validating the few archives. It is only validating that archives which is available on the disk. Here, let me delete all the expired archives from the RMAN repository using the following command. Press yes and hit enter. And after that, if you check archive log list, and this time you will see only these 3 archives information which is available on the disk. Step 2, if you have lots of archives, you want to delete the old archives, only keep 1 day or 2 day archives, 3 day archives, whatever you want. You can use the following command. You just replace the 1 with the 2 or 3, whatever you want, then run it. These are the most common Oracle database production issues every DB face. How do you handle production issues in your environment? Let me know in the comment box. If you really enjoy this video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more real-time Oracle DBA tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.